Hi and welcome to this week's update. It's Saturday today, recording it a day earlier than I normally record it. Been a really good day. I'm just in from the shed actually. Been a great day. The weather's been a lot warmer here, which just helps massively, doesn't it? You know, just love it. Even went out, got my car back this week, so I've just been out and I've washed it and cleaned it inside and even hoovered it. It's the first time in about 2 years. So really pleased. Been a good week. Got loads done in the shed. Had a great day today. Great 2 days actually. I've just achieved so much. Sometimes you have great days, don't you? And you just feel like everything's just going as it should do. So anyway, got quite a bit on my list for today. So I'm going to start and get through that. The first thing that I've got is some stickers came in this week from JG Designs. I've actually put your sticker up here, as you'll see. I shall put a link to his channel, quite new into YouTube, so I'm quite excited to see where the channel goes. So thanks very much, Dave, for the stickers, and I think I might have sent yours off already this week. I think I might have done. If not, if you don't receive them in about a week, let me know. There was that much post this week to get out. So let me put that down there. So that was the first thing. So the sticker board's starting to fill up. I'm no doubt once we go to Maker Central next month, in about 3 weeks actually, it'll fill up even more. So, I've got one shout out this week as well. Relatively new to YouTube, but what really stands out is his editing style is just brilliant. Loving what he's doing already. This chap is called Mike Pickett. Yeah, Mike Pickett. He does pens. That's what we've sort of seen so far, and done some wood burning and stuff like that. Early days in and really good already, so I would say that this chap's probably going to do really, really well. I'm going to put a link as well as Dave's down below. Please do go and check him out, give him a bit of support. But I think you'll agree with me, his channel is already very good. And Maker's Rock album art. I've sent yours off, Rich. It's usually about five days to get to the States, so it shouldn't be too long. Hoping the package stands up for it. I've got pieces of cardboard and bubble wrap everywhere, but hopefully it should be alright once it gets to you. And I got notified as well this week from Odessa Woodworking and Maker shop that I'd won his album art as well. Honestly, I've been so lucky lately. That's 3, so the 3 will go up there. So that's another one, and he did the Pulse album, and another. All 3 of them that I've won are totally different. His is done with engraving, and it's got some electronics in the back, so a totally different thing there again. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting them all and getting them up on the wall. I should put a link down to Odessa Woodworking and the Maker shop down below in the description. You'll probably have to expand it to get all the links. Also, I entered the LED lights into Awesome Makers LED light challenge, and it was Andy Pugh actually who'd mentioned it to me. I had actually seen the video come up for it, and I think somebody else had linked it, and I did see it, and I never really thought when I made that about entering it. You just make these things, don't you? But I entered it and I got 2nd place in that, and it was sponsored by Mano. So I got some vouchers, so I've ordered a couple of new tools from there, so that's brilliant. And these tools will actually help me with the table make that will be happening. So there was stuff that I didn't, because I don't tend to have bigger working tools like, you know, saws. It was actually a jigsaw I've ordered, and and circular saw. That's what it is. A circular saw and a jigsaw, which will help me with getting those woods cut down to size. So yeah, I was really very delighted at that. Quite a surprise, because the others that had actually entered into this, I mean, I didn't sort of see them until after it had finished, but there were some amazing ones in there, so I was very lucky to get a second place for that. So thank you, awesome makers, anyway. Also, did you watch, it would have been a couple of weeks ago now, obviously you know I watch NZ Wood Turning. I've watched him since he was tiny, a tiny website. Love all his stuff that he does. And I was watching it a couple of weeks ago, and he was working with pewter. Now, it was quite a long time ago that I first seen somebody using pewter. He did a belt buckle with it, and it came out great, and so many ideas I got from it. I've actually thought about casting pewter before, because you can actually do it at quite a relatively low temperature compared to other metals, so it's a good one for messing about with. But I've actually, and it's been a thought I've had for quite a while, about casting a ring core with it, even sort of making a design on a ring, even carving it out with wax and putting it in or something like that. But so I got hold of some pewter. They're just little blocks. See if I can get into here. And Nick had actually recommended that magic sand, so I ordered some of that as well. So I should be testing this out in the next few weeks, and I'll film it. They're just little billets or whatever you call them of it. So yeah, I'll try it out and see if I can get just testing out, just messing about really, get a ring core out of it or something like that. We'll see how it goes. So all the stuff came in this week for the order for that, so I'll be getting that out soon. And also you might have heard me talking about art silver clay. I ordered this, well, it was a few weeks ago now. I ordered some in because I'm fancying having a little go with it, and I can't remember that name. There was a programme on TV and they were on there, and I can't for the life of me remember what it was. Anyway, so I'm going to be doing some metal clay stuff. I'm going to be following, they did a printout of it, and when it comes to me doing a video I'll let you know where this printout is, and it's just some instructions on how to do a brooch. And I thought I'd start with maybe a brooch, and I'm going to film that as well, because I think the metal clay would be something I could really get into. It just adds to something different to the jewellery side of things. So yeah, I'm sort of looking at just testing out some different stuff. So I've ordered that, that's all through, so I'm ready to go with that. Yes, and this week's project is the part 2 to last week's one. It is done. I'm not going to tell you any more, but it will be up on Wednesday, and you'll be able to see if it goes okay or if it just goes awful. So yeah, so that will be out this week, and yeah, thanks for the patience of waiting for a week to get it. It was quite a lot of, it took hours and hours between the casting of it and the turning of it. In fact, the turning took a lot less than it did probably to cast it. But yeah, so thanks for your patience and waiting for that. Normally when I do those type of things I try and have the 2 already filmed and done, but because I'm a bit behind with projects I didn't have it done. So but that is complete now, and I've also got the following week's video complete as well. So it's been a bit of a bonus this week, done really well. So I'm not going to drag it on too much longer. That's pretty much it. I'm not quite sure what what I'm on next. I'm hoping to do some live casting, but I've just not had any shifts that I can do it on. I'm working. I tend to be working quite a lot on Mondays. It goes through phases like that. So, so the live update, which I like to try and stick it to a Monday, really. So anyway, that's it. That will be coming up as soon as I'm off. I know I am off because I took 2 weeks off for Maker Central, so that to make sure that I've got plenty of time before and plenty of time for coming back, because we're going to be driving, and it's probably about 12 hours drive from where I am. So and me and my dad are going down, so there's 2 of us to drive, but I'm a bit nervous when my dad's driving. Don't tell him. So that's it. That's me for this week. I shall see you again next week, and I really hope you enjoy this week's project, and thank you very much for watching.